Hey everybody, Regular Joe here, and today I'm gonna open up a crispy fresh Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse booster box. You guys say, well, it's just another booster box. Well, to me, it's not just another booster box. My birthday was a couple days ago, so I bought this as a birthday present to me, as well as it's the first booster box I've ever opened, you guys. So it's kind of a big deal to me. I figured I'd record it, but I got my trusty dusty letter opener here. See if we can get it going. Man, oh man. I don't even know how to open one of these things. Okay, there we go. Pop it up. Wow. Get on in there. There we go. Alright, let's get to it. I'll probably open about half of the box on video, and then probably do a part 2 video as well. Well, that was backwards. Sorry about that, guys. Alolan Vulpix, Rockruff, Snuffle, Rowlet, Phantom, a reverse Rowlet, and a non-holographic Beware. Alright. Okay. And next pack. Heliotile, Ivana, Tepig, Togamaru, Onyx, Absol Reverse, and a non-holo Swoobat. But I'll take it. I don't have Swoobat yet. Twinkle. A Blastoise. Let's get it. Ponyta, Brawler, Carvana, Chinchou, Azrael, Palpitoad, and a non-holo. Okay. Next pack. And I am taking all the packs from the right side of the box currently. Let's get these other pack cards out of here. We got a Psyduck, Trapinch, Oddish, Rufflet, Piplup, a reverse Piplup, and, okay, Naganadel and Guzzlord GX. I will take it. Those over there. The rest of the cards. Oh, didn't take the code card out of that one. Oh. Next pack. I'm just excited to see what I get. I'm a newbie anyways. A Rockruff. A Deerling. Teddiursa. Golett. Dewpider. Igglybuff Reverse. And a non-holo Weavile. Okay. Next bag. I'll take a Duskull, Tympole, Piplup, Cosmog, A reverse Vaporeon. I really like that card. And a non-holo Swan. Come on, Blastoise. We need something good. The OG Blastoise. Flabébé, Lowland Sandshrew, Ponyta, Sunkern. I see something peeking at the bottom there. Cosmog, Carvana, and ooh, Silvally GX. Don't have that one yet. Okay, we'll take that pull. There's the cards. Well, at least Blastoise came through. He heard me. He was like, oh, well, he's calling me out, so gotta step up. Not quite what I was expecting, but I'll take a GX. Especially that one. Take the card out. Honard, Litleo, Coughing, Nosepass, Snorunt, a reverse Stuffle, and a holographic Wishy-Washy. So really, he looks upset. He's like mad. It's a cool card. I like that one. Okay. Next pack. We got a Whelmer, Honard, Togamaru, Trapinch, Flabébé, Reverse Tanglia, and a non-holo Emboar. Okay. There. So, first half of the box. Couple of GX pulls. Nothing crazy. Drillbur, Tanglia, Eevee, Duskull, Timepole, ooh, a reverse rare, and a non-holographic rare. Alright. Blastoise, the homie again. We got a Rowlet, Lillipup, Skrelp, Pikachu, Stuffle, Reverse Mimikyu, and a non-holographic Palossand. Okay. Few packs left on this side of the box. We got a happy Woobat on the front. Woobat, Ducklet, Helioptile, Cosmog, Slugma, a Wishy-Washy. Wow. I totally love this card. I know I sound so excited, but I don't have Wishy-Washy yet. That's a beautiful card. Okay. And there he is! The homie himself! I hope I didn't just blast y'all's ears off because I recorded my mobile, but holy crap. We just pulled the Blastoise and Piplup. Rainbow. Full art. Wow. Let's take a look at it before I sleeve it. Just wow. This is why I like to have my other light on behind me. That's amazing. Alright, let's sleeve up the homie. We're going to stick him back there next to his buddy Charizard. Alright. So, I'll take that. We will definitely take that. Next pack. This is the first booster I've ever opened. Y'all let me know, but I feel like these packs open really easy. The ones coming out of the ETBs are like super glued. A Alolan Grimer, Slugma, a Chinchou, a Cosmog, a Pancham, a Reverse Weavile, which is a rare, and a non-holo. Okay. Let's see, we got 4 packs left on this side of the box. Sneasel, Natu, Trapinch, Spheal, Passimian, a reverse Trapinch, and a non-holo Sylveon. I'll take that also because my daughter, I got the non-holo and put it in the master set, and she has been wanting Sylveon so bad. So we'll take that. Okay. A Snorunt, a Koffing, a Drillbur, Swirlix, Kricot, a reverse Tempole, and alright, holographic Blacephalon? Blacephalon? Maybe? I don't know. You guys let me know. That's a nice one. We'll take that all day. The rest of the cards. Sleeve him up real quick. Man, that's a beautiful card. Take that. Okay, 3 packs left on this side. Sorry, I miscounted. Like, wait a second, they're multiplying. Okay, Kricot, Apom, a Woobat, a Ducklet, Swirlix, reverse Pawniard, and a non-holographic. Okay. Phantom, Alolan Grimer, Magnemite, Eevee, Flabébé, a reverse Propass, and a Blastoise and Piplup GX. Okay, we'll take him. He'll go back there with his rainbow friend back there. Okay. Those. Just putting some cards in some sleeves real quick. Okay. Last pack on this side. The right side of the booster. Dewpider, Apom, Onyx, Tepig, Alolan Sandshrew, a reverse Sunflora, which is a rare, and oh, that's just wrong, Pokemon. Why would you do that? Give me at least a different non-holo rare, guys. Oh, okie dokie. Well, it is what it is. Alright, and that'll do it for the first side of this booster box. So we got the man, Blastoise and Piplup. The men, excuse me. Or the homies. The friends. We got his regular GX equivalent. We got a Wishy-Washy. Really digging that card. There it is. There's a better holo on it. bunch of reverses, all kinds of good stuff. So we'll see you guys next time. Peace.